Hi everyone. In the last video we have seen props and components means, and in this video we will create a form and we'll add a validation. For example, we'll give a form to the user and we'll try to add few validations to the form. So for that, let me go to the components. So in the app.js, there is a navbar already that was there. Like this is the application that we are working on. So let me create a one more component saying it as form. So this will accept all the form details, and I already said that I can use RFC for getting a React functional component. Just enter that and remove this one. And as there is a form which accepts a value from the user, like this is for email and password. So let me copy this and paste it here. um, just this is how you need to paste, and there is a error which says that input has to be closed. So just use a close tag so that the error will get disappeared, and just write here too, and this one too, just right. So this is how you can, and where there is a class it should be renamed to class name. And we are done, we are good to go, and go to app.js and import the form. Like just write a form. Now if you go to the browser, you can see the form will be like the navbar and the email. So whenever a person gives a email with the caps, it should be turned to a smaller letter. Like it should have a button. For example, if I create a button here under the submit, naming it as, click here to, like, the button name should be convert to logo. So this is the right, convert to lowercase. So just say save, and here if a person clicks on that, it should here I need to get a email has to be lowercase. So for that I will be writing a on click function. So you already know what on click when you are going with the uh, JavaScript. So I wrote a on click with the function lower. So but before that, let me also say you about the state, like use state. So use state is nothing but whenever you want to change the like the pattern of the page, or else you can say the situation. Like use state case is nothing but it's a situation, the situation of the page. So if you want to change the situation, then we will be using use state case. Like for that, let me show you how to write that. So const, and then here let me write it as email one and set email. So these are the two variables that I want to work, and use state here. For example, if I say enter your email, so this is a message that will be appeared in the um, email box when I write value is equal to, let me write here, let me make it a small so that it will be easy for us. Like the name I'm just making the name as EE so that I can say some space, and let me write value as email one. So if I write it as email one, whatever there is a text here, that will be replaced here. um, Not defined. So I just wrote lower and then I have not written, right. So let, let me create a function, because I mean it's just asking just to, let me write it on top of this constant lower. This is a function, and we put an arrow, and just here I need to say set email to. So whenever I want to change it to something, then I need to write it here. So I'm just defining the function just to show you this. So this is how you will be getting a message. So but if I write it value as email one, this value will be fixed. So to change that, we are having one more condition saying that on change. On change is nothing but when I want to change all the elements to other thing, then I need to use a on change function, on change button. So if I write on change equal to handle, here I will be writing const handle, and I need to equate with the event. Let me write here in this, whenever any person changes the text to enter your email to his mail, that need to be done, right? So for that I am just writing set email as event dot target dot value. So this is the one, and after this, so whenever user enters any email, that will be of email one, right? So email one equal to will be getting, and sorry, let a new email like which is of a lower one, that will be here new email equal to the email one that we wrote it here dot to lowercase. If I do it to lowercase, that will be saved in new email, and if I write new email here, new, oh, it's any email, sorry there is a spell, so it's not that important, just write new email and we are good to go. So first I've created a function for on click as lower. For that lower I wrote a function say that let new email equal to email dot to lowercase and set email equal to new email. This is the one, and here I wrote an handle condition, because if I don't write this, whatever the value is equal to email, that will not be changed anytime, like what, like enter your email will be saved, even it will not give a user to edit his name. So let me go back and write GUNUKONDRAKESH123 at the rate gmail.com. This is if I write it here, and if I click on convert to email, now you can see we got let me write, you can see it got changed to the smaller letters. So this is how we can change the one character. So my task for you is to do it. For example, let me do it for the capital letter. If I want to make all the letters to um, I mean the uppercase, then I just need to write for example, if I want to change it to password, then I just need to write there is a button, I need to create one more button saying that for, I mean I will do it for same for email. Let me write it as upper function. So and if I control C and let me write control V, here it will be upper, and here it will be to uppercase. Done, that's it. And just go to the page and give all the letters of small letters. Let me give all the small letters, and if I click on I forgot to change to upper, if I click on this, all the things will be changed to upper. So this is how. And we can also do it for the clipboard, like if I want to add a copy button, then you can do that. If you want to clear all the elements, that for example, let me show you for how to, let me add a button with clear. For example, if I say clear means clear your email, like whatever the email that you entered, if you want to remove from the text area, then you can do that by using, let me write a clear function and just copy this and save, and let me write clear, and here set new mail as dot clear, save and go back and give any email saying it as something, and then click on clear email. There is a email, clear is not a function, sorry, just we need to clear dot remove, there is a function with the name remove, or else we can just write just save this and go back and go to the browser and let me write all the things and then click on clear. That's how, that's like you can clear the elements. So this is what we are seeing in the today's session. So in the upcoming session we also see the full page application. So please, if you like the video, just like, give the like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.